this video, we will learn about acids. So substances like lemon, vinegar, curd, etc. They are basically sour in taste. Do you know the reason why? So it is simply because these substances contain chemicals which are called as acids, which give them their sour taste. The term acid comes from the Latin word acere, which means sour. All acids have a sour taste. We have basically find acids all around us, that is in the chemical laboratories, in the foodstuffs, homes, factories, and even inside our bodies. Do you know that an acid called hydrochloric acid is present inside our stomach, which basically helps to digest our food? The sour taste of lemon or orange is simply due to the presence of acid called as citric acid. Green apples are sour due to the presence of malic acid. There is a table which gives you the names of certain substances and acids present in them. Let us have a look. So these are some substances like sour milk, which is sometimes called also known as curd. This is our curd, which contains lactic acid. Then we have citrus fruits like orange, amla, lemon, all contain citric acid. Unripe green apples, which is malic acid. Then we have tamarind, it contains tartaric acid. Here we are able to see spinach, which contains oxalic acid. Then sting of ant and bee, very important, formic acid. Then in vinegar we have acetic acid. Then tea we have tannic acid, and in the lettuce leaves we have folic acid. Most acids used in the laboratory are corrosive. That is basically they may attack some substances and may even burn your skin. But all acids are not at all dangerous. Here are some of the properties of acids. So acids are actually sour in taste. They change blue litmus paper into red. They are corrosive in nature. They can even spoil cloth, paper, and even metal. That is why they are stored in glass bottles. They can cause severe burn injuries on the skin. Acids are good conductors of electricity in the solution form. They dissolve in water, form a dilute solution, and produce heat. So, while making dilute solution of an acid, always add acid to water, not water to acid. So, we always have to add acid into water slowly and never pour water on acid. All acids except nitric acid react with metals such as zinc, magnesium, iron, etc. to form salts and release hydrogen gas. So this is the reaction which is zinc reacting with sulfuric acid, which is H2SO4. We are getting zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Similarly, zinc is reacting with hydrochloric acid, which is giving us zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. But nitric acid, whenever a metal react with nitric acid, it wouldn't give us hydrogen gas, but it will give us water, which is H2O. So acids react with carbonate such as calcium carbonate or sodium carbonate to form salts and carbon dioxide. Here is the example. This is calcium carbonate reacting with hydrochloric acid, giving us calcium chloride, water, carbon dioxide. Then acid bases react each other to form salt along with the water, and also the production of heat. The reaction of an acid with a base to form a salt and water is simply called as neutralization reaction. This is a base which is called as sodium hydroxide. On reacting with HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, it will produce sodium chloride, which is basically the common salt in our home, and it will give us water. So in the above reaction, and the acid and the base actually neutralizing each other to form salt, which is neutral. The salt so formed in the reaction is not the common salt or sodium chloride. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.